Welcome to another review. We're going to review a lithium ion 20 volt max 12 amp hour replacement for the DeWalt from Amazon. I buy a lot of stuff from Amazon, and sometimes are really good, and some other times are just crap. And well, this one is not crap; it's just misinformation. They say that this is supposed to be a 12 amp hour, and it's not. It's more like a 8 or 9 amp hour. So I bought this package. So this package is 2 pieces for 135. And it's pretty much they lasted just like an 8 amp hour. So if you tell me that you put the 2 batteries together to make up a 12 amp hour, I believe it. But proclaiming each battery is a 12 amp hour, and it's not. Just take a look at the size. This is the original DeWalt 12 amp hour. This is the Amazon 12 amp hour. And this is the 8 amp hour from DeWalt. So you can see just the size. It doesn't match up to this beef up battery. It's kind of the same as the 8 amp hour, but it's just a little bit smaller. So here are more pictures. The front. That's the front. That's the front 8 amp hour. And right here is a 12 amp hour DeWalt, Amazon, and we got the 8 amp hour. If you want to be let down, you go right ahead, but it doesn't last to be 12 amp hour. If you have any comments or any suggestions for another review, just put it down in the comments. Thanks.